When was the last time you sat down and thought about what is the actual purpose of your life? Slugging day and night in this rat race? Is it all really worth it? At the end of the day, we may think it's worth it. Let us consider that it's only because of these constant endeavors that human beings now lead a comfortable life due to several inventions, ranging from the invention of the wheel thousands of years ago to the creation of several modern facilities. Due to this sophisticated life we lead, we often tend to think of ourselves as the most intelligent, superior, and advanced amongst all species. So, what exactly is the similarity between humans and animals? The activity of eating has progressed due to the discovery of fire thousands of years ago, and humans have evolved from eating raw food to cooked food, maybe a variety of dishes in a five-star hotel. However, this very activity of eating is being done by animals too. Let's take a look at all our advancements in space: rockets, missiles, satellites that can even help to prevent natural disasters. All of these enables us to defend ourselves against external forces and aggression, thus giving us a sense of security. But animals are also naturally endowed with survival instincts to defend themselves against predators. At the end of an exhaustive day, we all want to rest peacefully, maybe treat ourselves to some of that extra coziness found in our bed, right? Now, don't animals also live comfortably and sleep peacefully? In fact, they sleep more peacefully for longer periods of time. There's an intense desire at all levels of life to procreate. Humans do it behind closed doors, whereas animals do it out in the public. Therefore, all our activities ultimately boil down to one of these four primary activities, that is, eating, defending, sleeping, and mating. So, despite all our progress, which makes us think we are superior, have we actually progressed if all these fundamental activities remain the same? What is it then that actually makes us superior than animals? What is actually the difference? Stay tuned to our next video to find out.
Like, share, subscribe, and make sure to hit the bell icon for notifications on new videos.